Hey everyone! Welcome back to your favorite skincare spot where DIY is always budget-friendly and skin-friendly. In this video, we're diving into 4 amazing DIY toners that are perfect for summer and will keep your skin hydrated, cool, fresh, and glowing. All without chemicals, fancy products, or salon bills. These toners are made with simple ingredients from your kitchen. 100% natural and safe. Suitable for all skin types. And the best part, they actually work. So, if you're struggling with oily skin, breakouts, or just want that refreshing splash of glow every single day, stay tuned till the end, because tip number 4 is my personal favorite and totally underrated. So let's get started.